Bullish Sushi value expectation is $1.67 to $7.70. Sushi swap cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Bearish Sushi cost expectation for 2022 is 89 cents. In Sushi swap cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Sushi to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. Sushi swap current market status. The cost of Sushi swap is $1.04 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $37,210,046 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Sushi has diminished by almost 7.7% as of now. Besides, Sushi swap has a circling supply of 192,789,255 sushi. Right now, Sushi swap exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Bitrue, OKX, FMFW.io. What is Sushi swap? Sushi swap is the local token in the Sushi swap decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain DEX that was first sent off as a clone of Uniswap by obscure open-source designers Gourmet Expert Nomi and 0x Mackie on 2020. Sushi is a regularly used symbolic that deals with different blockchain networks. It fills in as the significant medium on this decentralized trade. Clients get local Sushi tokens as LP rewards. Clients can trade between different virtual monetary forms on Sushi swap using an associated digital money wallet. Sushi swap permits clients to store resources into liquidity pools. Sushi awards casting a ballot powers to the DEX clients and furthermore fills in as a type of LP prizes on the stage. Sushi swap value expectation 2022. The above graph of Sushi swap spread out the diving triangle design. This example is much of the time viewed as a trait of a negative pattern. It is shaped by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a flat pattern line interfacing lows merges to frame a triangle. In the event that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. For the most part, plummeting triangle design demonstrates the inversion of an upswing or the continuation of the downtrend. Dealers distinctly pay special attention to a huge breakout point. Presently, Sushi swap is in the scope of $1.07. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Sushi could arrive at the opposition levels of $1.37 and $1.62. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Sushi might tumble to $1. Sushi swap backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Sushi swap. The diagrams show that Sushi swap has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Sushi could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $7.70. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Sushi swap could fall to nearly 89 cents, a negative sign. Sushi swap value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Sushi swap is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Sushi lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Sushi swap value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Let us presently take a gander at the typical directional record of Sushi swap. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Sushi swap. At present, the ADX of Sushi lies in the scope of 28.980 and subsequently, it demonstrates areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability file of Sushi swap. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Sushi lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Sushi swap is at 43.16, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of Sushi is like ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH builds, the cost of Sushi increases. When the cost of ETH decreases, the cost of Sushi diminishes. Sushi swap value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Sushi swap could most likely accomplish $4 by 2023. Sushi swap value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Sushi swap could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Sushi could energize to hit $6 by 2024. Sushi swap value forecast 2025. In the event that Sushiswap sustains significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Sushi would revitalize to hit $8. Sushiswap value expectation 2026. If Sushiswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Sushi would revitalize to hit $10. Sushiswap value expectation 2027. If Sushiswap supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Sushi would revitalize to hit $12. Sushiswap value forecast 2028. Sushiswap holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Sushi would hit $14 in 2028. Sushiswap value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Sushiswap, it would observe significant spikes. Sushi could hit $16 by 2029. Sushiswap value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Sushi for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Sushiswap could hit $18 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Sushiswap organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Sushi. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Sushiswap in 2022 is $7.70. Then again, the negative value expectation of Sushiswap cost forecast for 2022 is 89 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Sushiswap biological system, the presentation of Sushi would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $23.38 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $2 assuming that the financial backers accept that Sushi is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is the administration badge of Sushiswap. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the smooth trading of ERC20 token. Sushi was sent off in 2020. 2. Where could you at any point buy Sushiswap? Sushiswap has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, Bitrue, OKX, FMFW.io. 3. Will Sushiswap come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the fundamental consideration token stage, Sushi has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Sushiswap? On Walk 13, 2021 Sushiswap arrived at its new all-time high of $23.38. 5. Is Sushiswap a wise interest in 2022? Sushiswap is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year, as per the kept accomplishments of fundamental consideration token in the beyond couple of months. Sushi is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Sushiswap reach $2? Sushiswap is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Sushiswap will hit $2 soon. 7. What will be the cost of Sushiswap by 2023? Sushiswap cost is supposed to reach $4 by 2023. 8. What will be the cost